Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Claude AI for competitor analysis. To get started, open Claude and go to the New Chat page. This is where you can begin a fresh conversation and give Claude a clear task. Starting with a new chat is helpful because it keeps your request focused and makes it easier for the AI to respond specifically to the analysis you want. Once you're on the new chat screen, take a moment to think about the kind of competitor analysis you need. In this example, the goal is to enter a sample prompt about competitor analysis directly into the message box. Your prompt should clearly explain what you want Claude to compare, review, or summarize. The more specific your request is, the more useful and relevant the response will be. For example, you might ask Claude to analyze competitors in a certain industry, compare their strengths and weaknesses, review their marketing strategies, or summarize differences in pricing, features, and positioning. If you already know the competitors you want to evaluate, include that information in the prompt. If not, you can still ask for a general competitive overview within a market or niche. When writing your prompt, aim to be direct and descriptive. Mention the business category, the names of the competitors if applicable, and the type of insight you want. You can also mention the format you prefer, such as a table, bullet-style summary, or short report, although the exact output will depend on your request. This helps Claude structure the answer in a way that is easier to review and use. After entering the sample prompt, press Enter to send it. Claude will then begin generating the competitor analysis based on the information you provided. Depending on how broad or detailed your request is, the response may include comparisons, strategic observations, and summarized findings that can help support research or planning. As a tip, if the first response feels too broad, you can follow up in the same chat with a more refined request. For instance, you can ask Claude to go deeper into one competitor, focus only on product differences, or rewrite the analysis for a specific audience, such as a marketing team or business owner. That way, you can turn a simple starting prompt into a more practical and targeted analysis. That's all it takes to begin using Claude AI for competitor analysis. With a clear prompt and a focused request, you can quickly generate useful insights and save time on early-stage research.